Yo, YouTubers, young whippersnappers. I've just been using my repair tool, my super gun, on my highly recommended. Highly recommended. Don't know what to say. It's CBD thingy be a bit of thing, legal hiding. Anyway, let's get on with this beer review, eh? We were at Marks and Spencer's, and I'm not sure the price of this. But anyway, KONA Brewing Company, Big Wave. Golden Ale. Lovely picture. 4.4% from Marks and Spencer's, guys, in England. Marks and Sparks. Never heard of these before. So, is there any information? Lower. Liquid lower since. So I'll take it to Hawaii. There's like a map of Hawaii and everything. Lovely can. Imported. Brewed by KONA Brewing Company. KONA High, Portland. Portsmouth, New something, USA. There you go. That's the information right there, kids. Let's read it. Freeze the screen. Get it in your heads right now. I got it in Marks and Sparks. Liquid Aloha. So say Hawaii. Aloha. Loads of information on the tin, not much about the beer itself. Okay. Just says 4.4% golden ale. Ho ho ho. What we got here? I'll give you a time check. A time check. It's 3 minutes past 8 in the evening on the 24th of November 2023. Thank you very much for anybody who's watching. I love you all. As much as you love me. Get it in the glass. A lower ale. Golden ale from Hawaii. It seems. It's very lagery. Oh. Golden ale. I don't know. Unusual. Ay, 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 ay. Don't do any Hawaiian music, might disturb the neighbours. Looks lovely. Very nice golden colour. Pissy pilsner colour. Head's gone like right away. Look at that. How fast. How fast have you departed my head? Looks good though, doesn't it? Beautiful in the glass. Right. Oh, it smells of ice cream. Oh, that's a nice smell. Bit of a cream soda. Very strange. Very, 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 very strange. Lovely in the glass. Lovely and fresh. Lovely and aromatic. Reminds me of a lot of drinks, but there's like a vanilla vibe to that. Looks lovely in the glass. Very lagery. Pills in the lager. I just can't wait. It's KONA Brewery Brewing Company in America with some kind of Hawaiian spin. Aloha, but it's like big wave. Golden ale, 4.4%. Up, hell yeah. Just like a lager. It's like a lovely pills. Nice. Malty. Ooh. Fresh. Malty. Like that. Nice. Yes, it's just like a very good gym pilsner. Loads of active boing 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 on the old palate. Yeah, it's nice and fizzy. Lovely novelty way. Reminds me of Lucasade. Reminds me of Lucasade with a bit of pills and a lager in it. It's got that kind of vibe. I don't want to rush that, I want to enjoy that. It's not like mind blowing. Pardon me. 4.4%. Pardon me if I belch. I'm trying to keep my mouth shut. Help me, please. Belching out of control. KONA Brewing Company and pub. Well, it's in Hawaii, Big Island. Well, I wouldn't put it past in my world that's come across. I'm in a Hawaii or something like that. It's just there it is in the shop, mate. It's Hawaiian beer. You know no Master Sparks, Master Spencer, and I enjoy that immensely. What do I make of it? I don't know. I don't freaking know. There's no head, it's gone completely, it's just over transparency. But we have a really good lager. Ah. I give that an 8 out of 10. I don't know. I don't know how to make that out. It's not really big on lager. I don't really want lager. But it's got a lot of plus points. would change that to a 10 because it looks great in the glass. I feel very guilty. It's got lovely orangey look about it. Oh, I sit back and belch loudly. Get the fucking thing, the super off the bottom name. Are you ready? Oh no. Super is fell over. Fell over. Fucking bubble head. Alright, okay. Yeah, I'll get that full 10, because it's surprised me. I've got another one, just bought one of these. What the fuck them? All I've got left is what I've reviewed already in the fridge. If I continue to drink. That's your mice. Listen, guys, I'm Scouser, especially if you watch this beer review. The reason I sometimes don't go online and everything, like, putting it blatantly in too soft, like, so soft, I can't, like, function, you know what I mean? I go, oh, I'll have a go on the battlefield, they'll be like paralysed, and I'll just, like, be on the sofa. What you don't see is, like, me blacking out, like, thinking, oh my word, I'm spazzed out. So, there's nothing personal or anything. I don't like trying to evade anything. It's just about, whoa, just imagine me talking on the microphone a bit similar to what I am now. Like, this is the third beer review tonight. So, it's, yeah, I'll give that a 10. Actually, it's shockingly good. It's so sweet. It's kind of lagery. Never understood where that comes from. I got it in Marks and Sparks, Marks and Spencer's. It's not necessarily for them, is it? There you go. Full placement. Yeah. Very, very lagery flavour with a bit of orange. Weird. Yeah, I'll give that a full 10. It's such a refreshing thing. Those, what do they call them? Not fruit pastels. Round these fruit gums. The circle things, like jellies and like the hard orange one. What's that like? It's like a tarty flavour. A tarty flavour. And it's very different. Fiery pigs in blankets. Let me just second place. That's what I'm thinking. Little bag. Nice watching. Definitely a 10. I like that. It's not my like go-to. It's quality. Dead easy to drink. It's a full 10 out of 10. The most boring man in the world out there. Like, just try it now. It's a 10 out of 10. It's called KONA Breweries. Big wave. main 10 out of 10.